Hey guys, are you ready to see this one product soar and shine? If you answered that question yes, stay tuned. Thank you guys for tuning in for my video, and if you like this type of content, please thumbs up, leave me some comments and subscribe and let me know what I can do for the next video. First, we'll be starting with freshly washed hair, and I'll be parting it into 4 sections, 1 line horizontally and 1 line vertically. Then I'll part 2 sections, 1 on each side of my head, and that's where I have the cornrows going to the front. It's important to get those lines as straight as possible because when styling your hair, those lines will be noticeable. The first product that I'll be going in with is the Maleeha Rosemary and Mint Oil. I put that on my hair first and make sure I massage it in there enough so that my hair is penetrated and my hair will stay moisturized while braided. Secondly, I'll be using the Miss Jessie's Baby Buttercream. This is the star of this video. You will see that it's thick, but it's also very moisturizing. As I told you guys before, I'm not a good braider, so we'll give this a try. On my first test trial, only 2 braids, so it won't be too bad. Okay, it was worse than I thought. So we'll give this a try again. Take 2. I'll try not to make this as painful this time for you or I, so I'll just speed this up. While I'm still trying to do these braids, I'll let you guys know why I chose to do this style. Well, I'm in school and I'm trying to get my house together, I'm trying to get my life together, and it's just too much to do at the same time of trying to do my hair every day. So I chose this style, and it'll hopefully last me about 2 weeks, and I will not have to manipulate my hair, and I'll still be using my own hair to style. Let me know down in the comment box some styles that you've done to your hair to keep from manipulating throughout the week that has lasted you a while, and maybe I'll give those a try and show you guys a tutorial. Thank you. We finally made it through the dreadful process, but thankfully, I guess muscle memory, because this braid went by super quick. And finally, we're finished with the hard part. So I took my spray bottle, which is always filled with an oil and some water, and I sprayed the back of my hair, and now I'm sectioning it to start the 2-strand twist. After doing that, I take the product, which is the Miss Jessie's Baby Buttercream, and I make sure I moisturize it and detangle it before I start. And then I section it into small portions. I make sure I do a slow-mo for you guys so that you can see how I try to get it as close as possible to the root. so that the roots won't be puffy. I'll give you guys a little show of how I do a few rows in the back, and then I'll show you guys my finished product. I don't want to make this video too long. Whoop whoop, whoop whoop, I'm finished. So these are all of the twists with the 2 braids in the front. So I am going to section it into 3 sections, little 2 puffs in the front and a puff in the back. I'm actually trying to stretch it because they shriveled up, of course. So I'm going to try to do the banding method on the end of them, just so that they can stretch a little bit more once I take it down the next day. And I do the same thing for the back. Doing this style took me about 2 hours, so it's time to tie my hair up and go to sleep. So I make sure I tuck my braids in and all the hairs are in, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.